This is my YouTube video title, so I will convert it into a thumbnail and explain it to you. For this, I will use a prompt. You can get it from this website. Go to the Trending section and you will find the prompt. After that, copy and paste it into an AI model. And at the end, add the YouTube title. This will give you 10 prompts. In this video, I am generating these 4 prompts. Approach them until you find a thumbnail that you like. Now, I will download these 4 thumbnails. This is the Trending section, where everyone saves their prompts. You will find the prompt for this YouTube thumbnail here as well. After that, this needs to be imported to the Page Perfector website. It does not appear to be working correctly, but you need to set the margin to 0. After that, what you see here, if you download it exactly from ChatGPT and upload it, it will not look right. To make it right, go to Edit Pages, stretch the image, and set it for all. Then apply the changes. Your YouTube thumbnail will be created. Now you only need to export it and upload it to YouTube. I am writing the prompt's code in the description. Please copy it and visit the website. You only need to go on Search section, and you will get the prompt. The description has links. Visit them. Create your YouTube thumbnail quickly using this method.